Hi.
Hi fans, we're in the store today.
Hi, friends. We're in the store.
We are selling.
Um, we're selling
What are you selling?
lugaw.
Lugaw. Lugaw with
Egg.
egg. Who cook lugaw?
Mommy.
Mommy, it's daddy.
Yeah.
Mommy do not know how to cook lugaw. How much is your lugaw?
10.
10. Oh, that's affordable. What are you gonna say to your fans so they will come and buy your lugaw? Is it masarap? You say it.
Is it masarap?
Masarap. You say it.
Is it masarap?
Masarap and
Good.
good. Is it good to your health?
Yeah.